Okay, here's the sticker. Fits right to the edge, perfect, easily. Exact size. Now we're going to take it, fold it back. What we're doing is we're peeling the top 2 inches right now. Take it, line it up perfectly straight. Watch the camera. What I'm doing is I'm lining it up perfectly straight. That straight edge. Take out your squeegee.
Felt edge.
Felt edge. And just start applying. Simple as that. Now you hold it up and just peel all the paper right on off. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to squeegee down from the top. Just like that. Let's go about 6 inches at a time, right on across. Holding the bottom out as you do it, to keep it from packing. Then go back to the middle. Work down another 6 inches at a time. Keeping it perfectly level. Squeegee it right onto the edge. If you notice that the sticker fits perfectly on there, no cutting necessary. We're almost done. Squeegee it straight on down. There you have it. Always go over the sticker. Make sure all the edges are down nice and clean. You can even use the rough edge for that. Really applies it. Okay, now this is the squeegee that we use to apply it. One side's rough, one side's felt. This is so it doesn't scratch the material so bad. This is the material we use. It's a 3M based material. It's control tack. It has air channeling on the back, which I doubt you'll be able to see, so it makes it extremely easy to apply.